Okay, so for this Memorial Day tablescape, I'm starting off with these red and white Dollar Tree plates, blue and white buffalo check chargers that I got from Dollar Tree. These are hair ties. Let me put one up here so you can see. Those are hair ties, and I've seen someone else use those, so I thought I'd give it a try. These red white goblets. These were a DIY last year, and these are picture frames that I turned into coasters. I have these beautiful stars and stripes placemats, blue and white napkins, blue candles, and clear glass candle holders. So let me go ahead and put it together.
Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures and happy Tablescape Tuesday, the weekly open collab presented to you by the Ladies of Elegance, myself and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Links to both our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So today I have a beautiful patriotic Memorial Day tablescape idea for you. So sit back and relax, grab your favorite drink, and I'll meet you at the reveal. Today's tablescape is not only beautiful, but budget friendly. I had all of the items here on hand, but if you wanted to recreate it, you could easily do so using Dollar Tree supplies. The plates, chargers, napkin rings, candle holders, and coasters are all from Dollar Tree. They also sell the red and white roses. So that makes this cost effective and packs a punch. I hope you like this tablescape. Let me know what you think in those comments, because you know I love hearing from you and getting your feedback. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. Honey, it's free, it's quick, and it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for stopping by today. You could be doing anything, but you stopped by to watch my video, and I appreciate that so much. Thank you again for watching, and until next time.